Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app and wait a little until it loads in. Now once you are inside the app and you are in the home screen, you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see three lines there. Press on it. And now you should press on your name here. And you press now here the last option, which is change password. And you have to type in first your old password. Now your new password. And confirm your new password. After that, all you have to do is just press save. And you can see that the password was edited and changed successfully. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.